borders of Minnesota have built a brand that can't be moved until they're broken to smaller pieces, and that is how and move from you. It's not for reason of broken promise, not for the pain that talk might remove, not change of mind or taking of chances, no explanation, that's all by you. But for the holy peace of true loving, a sense of knowing what we would do, one admiration for what you're doing has been no comfort here without you. I still have coffee and bargain